Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying prerequisites: license, compatible runtime, and a prepared config file. Once ready, run the installer or unzip the package into a dedicated folder. Make sure to launch the bundled setup script as administrator so permissions apply cleanly. You'll be prompted to paste your token and set endpoints. Enter accurate values now to avoid reconfiguration. After that initial save, restart the service once. This ensures the runtime caches dependencies and writes default logs for troubleshooting. Once done with the initial boot, focus on core configuration. Open the main config and set command prefixes, role mappings, and sensible rate limits. Next, add plugins. Start with moderation and analytics to get safety and insight. Install NLP only if needed. Make sure to update environment variables and secret storage for API keys. Then run the built-in diagnostics and review the health check, port status, and dependency list. These results guide whether you adjust timeouts or memory settings before going live. You now run Ghostbot X14 in staging mode and exercise its main commands while watching logs for 10 to 15 minutes to catch errors early. Once stable, promote it to production, enable auto restart and hook up monitoring alerts so you're notified of crashes or spikes. Make final permission checks and schedule backups of config. If something goes wrong, first check the logs for stack traces, then validate tokens and confirm that required ports are open. Usually that single step resolves most launch failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.